Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most stunning design of handmade crochet lace top ideas. It's very beautiful and very trending collection. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular designs. Guys, so we will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending ideas. Guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and amazing designs of summer top. Pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself and for your family and friend gift. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video. So now I am share with you the benefits of crochet tops. Breathable dresses are available. Crochet is a very comfortable and crochet top are perfect for warm and summer weather as they allow to airflow and keep you cool and keep you easy. Comfortable crochet fabric is soft and gentle on the skin and making it ideas for everywhere wear style. Crochet tops can be dressed up and down and paired with various bottom from shorts and skirts and crochet tops. Unique, each crochet top is handmade, making it a one of a kind piece. Sustainable crochet top are an eco-friendly and alternative to fast fashion, reducing waste and sporting show fashions and customize. You can choose the color, your favorite yarn and your favorite design to fit your personal style and preference. Crochet top often have a relaxed fit, making them perfect for casual use and party wears and formal wears. Most crochet top are machine washable and dry quickly, making maintenance a breeze. Fashionable crochet top are a stylish addition to any wardrobe, adding a touch of handmade charm. Wearing a crochet top you can feel confident and proud to sport handmade hand craftsmanship. Overall, crochet tops are offer a perfect blend and of comfortable and styles and sustainable. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.